Tech in 5.
Tech in a flash, bringing the tech trends to you in 5 minutes. The leadership turmoil at OpenAI has taken yet another dramatic turn over the weekend. Welcome back to Trend in 5. Recent developments have sent ripples through the AI community, with Sam Altman's departure from OpenAI triggering a cascade of events. Now, with Microsoft stepping into the picture, and Emmett Shear accepting the interim CEO role, we are presented with fresh revelations. Let's unpack these events and their implications for OpenAI's future and the evolving landscape of artificial intelligence. In a powerful show of unity, OpenAI employees posted on social media, stating, "OpenAI is nothing without its people," a sentiment echoed by the newly appointed interim CEO, Mira Murati. Sam Altman and Greg Brockman responded to this display of solidarity with heart emojis. These simple but profound reactions signify a bond with OpenAI's staff, reflecting appreciation for their dedication and signaling a shared vision for the company's future. On Sunday midnight, Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella reaffirmed the company's partnership with OpenAI, expressing enthusiasm for the shared innovation journey ahead. Nadella welcomed Sam Altman and Greg Brockman to Microsoft, highlighting their anticipated contribution to a new AI research team. 1 hour later, Emmett Shear, in his social media post, revealed that he has accepted the role of interim CEO at OpenAI. In his detailed message, Shear indicated a 3-point action plan for his initial 30 days, launching an independent investigation into the events leading up to the leadership changes, engaging in open dialogue with stakeholders, and reforming the management team to reinforce OpenAI's mission-driven focus. Acknowledging the company's past achievements and the recent disruptions, Shear expressed his dedication to protecting OpenAI's legacy and fostering its growth amidst these challenges. His post underlines a commitment to transparency and stability, reassuring the community of his intent to navigate the company through this pivotal phase with cautious optimism. After a series of startling developments, this Monday brought another surprising development. Ilya Sutskever, a key figure at OpenAI, took to social media to express his deep regret over the board's recent decisions. In a candid post, Sutskever shared his love for the company and its mission, vowing to do everything in his power to reunite OpenAI. This admission of regret from a board member is rare and indicates a significant internal conflict within the organization's leadership. It opens up questions about the board's decision-making process and governance. How will this affect the company's stability and the confidence of its employees, partners, and the broader tech community? Sam Altman, now in a new role at Microsoft, responded to Sutskever's post with 3 heart emojis. This simple but emotive reply suggests a gesture of reconciliation and support, perhaps signaling a pathway to healing for OpenAI's community. As we consider Sutskever's intentions to reunite the company, we must ponder what changes are on the horizon for OpenAI. Reuniting a company after such turmoil is no small feat. It will require transparency, clear communication, and perhaps a reevaluation of the company's current trajectory. We'll be looking closely at the actions taken in the coming weeks to foster unity and a return to form. Sam Altman, in his recent posts, emphasized his commitment alongside Satya Nadella to OpenAI's success. Stressing the importance of unity, he conveyed an unwavering focus on OpenAI's mission and continuity for partners and customers, bolstered by the Microsoft partnership, signaling a hopeful and collaborative future. The unfolding events at OpenAI remind us of the delicate balance between innovation, leadership, and corporate governance. As the story continues to develop, we remain hopeful that OpenAI will navigate these turbulent times with the vision and integrity that has long been its hallmark. Thank you for joining Trend in 5. Together, we'll continue to monitor this evolving story.
Stay tuned for more videos on Tech in 5.